Now let us assemble electronics things. Arduino Uno. Let me connect a color sensor with Arduino Uno. We have 6 pins here, S1, S2, S3, S4 and output pins, and as usual power supply. We need to connect that by using this male to female jumper wires. S1 and S0 should connect. Then connect S2, S2, S3 and the output pin should connect to pin number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of Arduino. Then VCC and ground pins of Arduino should connect to ground pin, and VCC will get 2 VCC pins and 2 ground pins here. So connect respectively, and before turning on it, cross check all the connections, because if you made any mistake, definitely sensors will burn out. So the color sensor part is over. Now let me take IR sensor. Again, in IR sensor we have 3 terminals. One is a VCC ground for the power supply and the output pin. Let me take VCC and ground of IR sensor to, here we have VCC pin and here we have ground pin. I'll connect it to ground pin, and output should go to Arduino, output should go to pin number 10. Then I'll connect the DC motor driver L293D, and this will connect to, here we have input to the board which are coming from Arduino Uno, and I2, I3 and I4. These are connect to, I am just taking unlock A0 to A1 to A5 pins respectively. So then you need to connect your DC motors here. One is arm movement, one is for arm rotation, and here we have the conveyor motor driver, that is ULN2003 IC. So we can connect this into A0. Everything I will explain in the code. So next is output of the ULN2003 will connect to the motor. This will go to the conveyor motor part. Then definitely we need the power supply. So as I told you, we need power supply of 12 volt 2 amps, because we have 3 motors, so it will take more load. So I will take 12 volt 2 amps adapter. For connecting that 12 volt 2 amps adapter, I am connecting DC jack here, and for ULN2003 it requires the voltage of 12 volt. So I am taking this 12 volt into pin number 9 of ULN2003 is VCC, that is 9 volt, and pin number 8 is should connect to ground. So I am connecting ground. For better understanding, use color code, wire color code, because generally we take red as positive. So respectively red as positive, it will connect to VCC, and negative of the DC jack connected to pin number 8 of ULN2003. Then the whole circuit need power supply, so that I am connecting this 12 volt into, in L293D we have a power supply extensions. So I will connect that extension to here. So ground to ground, and we required one more jumper wire to connect this. Here we are providing 12 volt to L293D motor driver circuit. This motor driver circuit will convert this into 5 volt using this regulator circuitry. Then this converted 5 volt will be connected to V-in pin of your Arduino. So this is the hardware setup of our electronic setup for our project. So next we will integrate this complete electronic circuits into our mechanical model, which we already done in earlier.